Hello and welcome back to my channel. I'm Benjamin K. Jr. Today I'm going to be teaching you how you can use a free apps that come with the Windows 10 and Windows 11 of Microsoft operating system. Okay, and this app actually comes with the export key. If you are actually familiar with the export schemes, so there is a free recorder that comes with the systems, and you can use that also to record your string. You can record any string. For that matter, if you're doing a presentation and you want it to be recorded, if someone is doing a presentation and you also want to record that, this inbuilt recorder can be used for that particular purpose. So what are we waiting for, guys? So let's get started and jump on our computer. Okay. All right, guys, let's get started with our tutorial. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to press our Windows local key on our keyboard, and this search bar is going to pop up. You can tap in here if you want to, or you can go back to your apps. All right, so just in case you tap in here, and what we're about to search for is 13. You can see I already have the 13 here recently. I've used it, so it's here 13. But if you don't, for example, you don't have it here like this, all you have to do is to come here and tap 13. Okay, tap 13 here and you will get the 13s pop up, and then you can enter the keyboard or you can right click with your mouse. Now that we are inserting, our main focus is going to be on this feature right here. Okay, in our systems we have gaming. Okay, so gaming is going to be our main focus. So when we click on gaming, then we will see another one here called capture, and then from capture we also have the game mode, but we're gonna understand the captures today. As you can see below captures, you see save locations, recording preferences. So after we have captures, our video is going to be saved where we are about to enter. So, and also we can make a choice of the preferences, how we want our video quality to look, the length of our video, and etc. Okay, and even the frame rate. So we click enter, or we click the mouse that we are using. So now we see in here we have captures location and we have recording preferences, right? So here the capture location is after we have captured our video. Okay, this is where our video will go and it'll be saved. So we click open, and this is where, as you can see, I have one video here. Okay, it's in a VLC player. It depends on the player you use to play your audio or your video. So I'm using VLC player as my default. Okay, media player. Now after that, we have to understand something else, record what happened. So if you want to record what happened on a string, you have to use the Windows key plus the alternate plus the G key to capture the moment, right? So you keep this one on, and the maximum recording length, you can go up to 4 hours, 2 hours, 2 hours, 1 hour, and up to 30 minutes. You can also go up to 3 hours, depending if you're monitoring your recording length. And then you can also capture the audio of your recording, and you can also do the settings of the video frame rate. Okay, so yeah, we have frame of per seconds. Okay, recommended is 30. So you can also go 60. But I recommend that you stay with the recommended frame rate, video frame rate, and the video quality also. Here we have the video quality. You can also stay with standard, or you can stay with high. All right, so we go with high, and the mask also like this. You want it to be on your screen while you're recording. You have to keep this one on. So that's it, guys. I hope that you understand these basic. Now that we have completed this part, let's also go back one more step so we can get to our next features to understand. Now here we have controller and keyboard shortcuts. So we click on controllers and keyboard shortcuts. After we've done that, you see yet all shortcuts. Now to edit, export, gain bad related shortcuts, press Windows logo keys plus G, or go to start. So okay, export, gain bad, and settings, right? So now they're telling us, in case we want to get into to edit, export, the gain bad, we have to go to this certain, or we can use the Windows local key plus the G key, which we are going to use. Okay, so now let's implement this in real time, right? Let's take a one step back, and here we're going to try to implement what we just read about. So we use our logos key on our keyboard and our G key, okay? And our G key. Now, once you press your local key and your G key on the keyboard at the same time, you will have this coming up, okay? You have this popping up. Now, this is where we're going to focus today, and also the certain. Now, so yeah, you can take a screenshot from here. This below is the shortcut keys, and also you can recall, yeah, like recall last 30 seconds. Okay, this is where we can start our recording to capture our string. Alternate plus shift plus arrow. And also here, you can turn back on what recording, or you can also turn it off. So how do you do that? You can just click on it. Okay, you click on it like this, and once you see that vertical, I'm sorry, once you see that diagonal line, okay, like this one, you know that it is actually turned on. Now it's turned off. Okay, so we're gonna leave it out for now because we don't need audio actually. Now let's go into our certain. Now we are in our certain. Now we are in our certain. Yeah, we focus on our shortcut keys, okay? You can take a time to go through all of these list here, but we focus on our shortcuts. Now these are the shortcut keys that we're going to be using throughout the whole thing, but the main key here is this one. Okay, to open the export gamepad, use this one, which is our Windows local key plus G key. Okay, you can also change it, but I choose that you stay with the recommended shortcut keys. Okay, to take a screenshot, alternate plus Windows key plus alternate plus the PRT and this SCRN on your keyboard. Now the next one here, you can also remember that to record the last 30 seconds. Okay, and also if you want to start or stop a recording, you can use the shortcut key here. Okay, and we also want to turn on and off our Mac and etc. So now let's try to implement this in with a real-time examples. So we close this one up, okay? And what I'm going to use is Microsoft. I'm going to use Microsoft Paint. Okay. I'm going to use Microsoft Paint to implement this concept. So now here I am in Microsoft Paint. As you can see up here, you see in my capture right now, I have this title here. We are going to draw a box, right? So now I want to capture this moment, okay? It is so amazing that I want to share with others what I'm going to be doing today, okay? So all you have to do, remember, your Windows logo key plus the G key on your keyboard, okay? And once you've done that, you can just click this one right there to start recording, and you can also mute it because we don't need audio. Okay, so we start our recording. Now, how do you know that it is recording? As you can see above here at the upper right corner, we have here that to stop recording, and we can see captured status. So now we know that our moment is being, recorded, right? So how do we go about that? So we just click anywhere in a blank space. Now we are going to draw a box. So if you're familiar with Microsoft, you understand these basic things here. These are all ribbons, okay? And these are all the shortcut menu, right? But these ribbons has a tag. This is the home tag, okay? This is the view tag. Now within the home tags, you also have a group of icons here, okay? As you can see, this group of features here, and also this is the customized quick access toolbar, right? Now these are all groups, okay? These are all groups, okay? Now you see here, if you want to get a quick access to all of these things, you can come right here and you get quick access to them. Okay, for example, the shapes here, you can get the shapes from here. You can save your work just like this. Now this one is called the back view. Okay, this one is called the back view. So you can click on this one and you get to see everything at the back here. So let's go to our work directly. So we are going to use ships. Okay, this is the group, the ships. This is the group tags. Okay, this is another group tags here. This is another group tags. Okay, all of these, they are group. As you can see, image. This is done. This is group particularly for image, right? So let's see what we can do with this Microsoft Paint to draw our box. So we're gonna need a rectangle. Okay, so first we draw the first rectangle, and then we're gonna need another one. Okay, and then we're gonna need a line. Okay, okay, now we have completed our box. Let's try to color our box. Okay, so we are going to use this one. We're going to use it to fill with color. Okay, so actually this is going to be very great, right? So we click on this one. This is a spray paint. Okay, and we select our color. So for example, I'll take this first color here, and I'll take another color here, and another color here. Now you see we have completed. Now imagine you've done this. Imagine you're doing a presentation on this and you want to record it. So again, this is how you can go about recording this moment. Okay, guys. So basically that's all for this video, and I hope that this video was very helpful for you. And also please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, share this video, comment video at the comment sections, and please also like this video. So let's go to our final step before we can end this tutorial. Now we're going to stop recording, and after that we're going to find our recording. Okay, so now I'm going to stop recording. Right here you can see stop recording. So the moment I stop recording, it's going to automatically save where you're going to save to the locations where we just went, our captures location. So now let's go to our capture location. There we will be able to see our captured video. Now we are back again. You see captured location. So all you have to do is just go here and click on open. Okay, you click on open, and here you can see paint. You see the date. This is how you can recognize it, right? You see the date, the month, and the year, and the time. Everything is there. So I'm going to play so you can actually see what we did.